Oh no, guys. If there's any vegans in the chat, I want to assure you, no cows were harmed in the making of this stream. I like that carnivore diet. Like, vegans are just pissed off with you all the time. Like, literally. Like, bro, how dare you? How fucking dare you, bro? The question I have for you, though, is... Fuck. I was like, the question or the challenge I have for you is... Why don't you go to a lion and explain to him that he's not supposed to eat another animal? And see what he says. Whoops. I'm just back here now.
No. I knew they were here somewhere.
Actually. Ooh, yeah, that's a big swing. Goeie god. Bye, have a beautiful time. Oh, excuse me, sorry, sir. I'm just needing to go inside quickly. Excuse for me. Oh no, leave me alone. Ooh, yara, where yara. Run. Run. No. Hands, I was just joking, mate. Chill, brother, chill. We're good. We're good? Okay, we're good. Never mind. I'm not actually going for this exit. I need to go stab Grandpa here.
I can't believe this.
Whoa! No, leave me alone, bro. Ah. Please tell me I have a lead on him to this door. Bye, have a beautiful time. Where's the old man?
Lost him again.
Is he upstairs?
I gotta stay hidden. Somehow.
I can't stab him. Oh no, the cook has heard me. Terrible. Ooh, make a lekker run over here. Dude, my fucking stamina is shot. Look at this shit. Bye. Oh, I didn't even see you, friend. Bye. I'm dead. I'm dead, friend. The other day, Denny and I went out for Valentine's lunch. The moment I was done with that burger, I was dead, dude. I was like, bro, I need to sleep now. I don't feel like myself, nothing. I'm a different person from when I started eating. Oh shit, Bubba is brand spanking new, dude. That guy just learned how to switch on his chainsaw and swing it. Oh, hi. I guess we shouldn't go that way. Not gonna lie, dude, but when I see Maria running the other way, I'm just like, no, it's cool. Yes, sis, what the fuck is wrong with you? Dude, why is she just yelling? What do you want to bet? Bubba's still stuck in basement because this guy probably doesn't know how to get out of basement either. Hey.
Stay away.
I
think I can use it.
No, Bubba, please, bro. You're such a cutie pie. I like you. Bye. That's not how it works, buddy, but okay.
What was that?
Oh no, here he comes. Oh no. There you go, buddy, you got it. Oh no, he just stole his chainsaw again. Bye. Watch this. Oh no. Dude, this is a wild bubba, bro. Look at him. Watch this. Poor guy. Oh no. Bye. Avian, good morning. How are you doing, dude? Nice to see you, man. Sorry about that.
Thank God, it's over. Stay away.
There's a girl competing from Cape Town, South Africa. Really?
This hurts. I'm not sure I can make it. Oh God.
Oh, why am I so low health? Did he hit me that much? Really?
Did they see me?
Better know better than to come around here. Now quit hiding.
What? What? Now he's in the front yard. What do you mean? Bro, I am so fucking confused. I am actually so fucking confused.
Damn. Not again.
Gonna find yourself in a dinner bucket if you do.
This is gonna be my only chance to do this. No, I'm out.
Now I need to get out of here.
Bye.
Go get help.
That's always a difficult thing for me when I give someone a ride somewhere, is to ask them for money if I was already going there to begin with. Like, hey, I was already on my way to Cape Town, so now charging you a bunch of petrol money to take you to Cape Town with me is a little bit weird. Bye! So now what we do? Thank you. So what I need to do is I need to now... Yo, thank you, the shout out came through, thank fucking God. I will need to go down. Dude, I haven't I feel like I've been very distracted today and I've still escaped a bunch of times. Like, people have just been opening shit for me, basically. Look at Cook! You know, our country's also different, but it's okay. We figure it out as we go, dude. This guy ran right past me, by the way. Oh, he's right there. Does he see me there? He did see me. This is your own. Oh no. I was joking, bro. I was fucking hell. Bro, please, bro, piss off, please. Please, bro, piss off. Oh no.
Need to find a way out.
Bye. Oh, we take those, dude. Oh my god, Bubba's upset. Fucking hell, dude. This guy is... He's on it, dude. Listen to him. I have a bone to pick out of this pile. Don't worry about it.
Lost him again. Gotta stay hidden. Somehow.
Excuse me. Thank you.